This is how you can furnish your living room with a walkthrough. So the red area shows the traffic area, which means the quiet area will be on the lower part of the room. So we will place the couch at that area. Because it has the back to the door, we will add this table. This will work as a wall between the traffic and the quiet area. So whoever comes in doesn't walk straight against the sofa. On the opposite side of this table we will place some shelving, which can be used as storage. The red arrows show now the pathway. To create more privacy for the living area, we can place some decorations on top of the table. Now we can place the TV unit on the blank wall, and then we can start adding the rest of the furniture. If you still feel uncomfortable sitting with your back against the door, you can have a backboard behind the TV, which can be tinted mirror, so while you are seated you can see who is coming in. Then you can start adding the decoration and accessories. Of course, there are so many other ways how to do it. Feel free to drop a comment, but this is a very efficient way to do it. And this is the result in 3D. Like and follow if you enjoyed the video.